Hello student, this is part 2 of chapter 5, that is arithmetic progression. In this video we are going to discuss how to find out nth term. That means if anybody asks find out the 20th term, what's the formula? If anybody asks find the 70th term, then what's the formula? For you to solve this, you are having a formula that is an. An means nth term. An means nth term, or you can say last term. Formula is a plus n minus 1 into d, where a is the first term and d is the common difference. These things we have already discussed in our first part. Now n is the number of terms. Suppose you are having a AP 2, 4, 6, 8 up to so on. Anybody asks find the 10th term, then what's the formula for that? A plus 10 minus 1 into d. Question is find a10. That means you are having n is equals to 10. Just fill here a plus 9d. So what's the rule? जितनी वैल्यू वो बोले उससे एक कम होती है d के साथ. Like a10 9d, a11 a plus 10d. Getting my point? So just fill the value. What is a? 2. What is d? Second term minus first term. 4 minus 2, that is 2. 2 plus 9 2s are 18, that is 20. So a10 is 20. Getting point? Now we are going to discuss question related to this topic. Question is find the 30th term of the AP, and AP is 10, 7, 4. Yes, what's the formula for 30th term? We have already discussed a plus 20 9d. How? What's the formula? An is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So now what is a? First term, that is 10. What is d? Second term minus first term. So 7 minus 10 minus 3. Just fill the values here. 3 9s are 27, 2 carry, 3 2s are 6 or 2, 8. So minus 77 is your required answer. So what's the answer of A30? Minus 77. So now next question is which term of the AP 3, 8, 13 up to so on is 78? कि AP की कौन सी टर्म होगी जो 78 है? तो मीन्स अगर हम फाइंड आउट कर लेते हैं हाउ मेनी टर्म्स आर इन द AP, देन इट्स इजी टू से विच टर्म इज 78. ओके, सो A is 3, first term of the AP is 3. What is D? Common difference. Second term minus first term. 8 minus 3, you are having 5. Sorry, you are having 5. हाँ जी, 78. This is your AN. Now, what's the formula for AN? A plus n minus 1 into D. AN means last time they have given 78. Now fill the value here. A is 3, D is 5. Shift 3 to this side. 78 minus 3 is 75. Divide by 5. 15 is equals to n minus 1. So your n is 16. How many terms are in the AP? 16. So your 78th term is the 16th term. 78th value is the 16th term of the AP. Getting my point? So this is your answer. Now next question. If the third and ninth term of the AP are 4 and minus 8 respectively, which term of the AP is 0? हाँ जी, what they have given? Third term of the AP is 4 and ninth term of the AP is minus 8. That means A3 is 4, A9 is minus 8. What's the formula for A3? A plus 2D. This is A plus 8D. Now you are having two equations, just subtract both. Plus a and minus a cancel out. 8 minus 2 guys 6 minus 12. So D is your minus 2. How about you have to write here? By subtracting both. By subtracting both. Suppose this is equation number 1. Now you are having D. Just put the value of D in equation, either equation 1 or 2. Just you will get the answer of A. So put the value of D in equation 1. Yes, A plus 2 into minus 2 is equals to 4. So what's your A? 4 plus 4? 8. Now, you are having first term as well as common difference. Getting my point? Now you are having A and D. Question is which term of the AP is 0? Suppose A and term is 0. Because we don't know which term is 0. So what is the formula for A n? A plus n minus 1 into D. What's the value of A? 8. And D is minus 2. From here you can easily get the value of n. That is your required answer. Yes. 8 plus minus 2 into n. Minus 2n minus minus plus 8 over 2 10 minus 2n is equals to 0. 10 is equals to 2n, n is equals to 10 upon 2, that is 5. So fifth term of the AP is 0. Fifth term of the AP is 0. Getting my point? Okay. Question is find the 20th term from the last term of the AP. Very important question. बहुत बार एग्जाम में पूछा जाता है for 2 marks. Okay. Question is find the 20th term from the last. Like suppose class में 50 बच्चे हैं. अगर मैं बोलूँ which one is 20th student from the starting, easily you can count. If I ask which one is 20th from the last, then from where you will start your counting. From last you will consider as 1, second last 2, up to so on as it is. Okay. So now first 20th and last 20th are different. In that case only that is possible कि both are same if your students are equal from starting at the end. Okay. Now if such kind of question you are having, then just reverse the sequence. How you can write it? Last term को पहले लिख दो और first वाले को last में. Just reverse the sequence. Now what's your first term? This one. Your A is 253. And what is your common difference? Next term minus previous term. That means 3 minus 8 minus 5. Now sequence is from here. This is your first term, that second one, and this is the last term. Question is 20th term from the last. Means if you will see this sequence, then starting 20th term from the starting. So what's the 20th term? A plus 19D. Yes. Just do the calculations. 5 9s are 45. 4 is carry. 5 1s are 5. 5 or 4 95. So what's the answer? 13 is your 5 and this is your 1. So 158 is your required answer. So 20th term from the end is 158. Okay. So now next question. Question is how many multiples of 4 lies between 10 and 250? Multiples of 4 yet divisible of 4 means 4 tables. हाँ जी, what's the 4 table? 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. 10 के बाद कौन सा शुरू हो रहा है? 12. हाँ जी, so 12 में 4 ऐड करो 16 up to so on. 250 is visible by 4 or not? No. 249 no. 248 yes. आपने क्या चेक करना है कि 4 से डिविजिबल हो रहा है या नहीं हो रहा है, या 4 के टेबल में आ रहा है या नहीं आ रहा. 250 is not visible by 4, मतलब 4 से नहीं आएगा वो. After that 249 no. 248 yes. हाँ जी, so what's your first term? 12. What is your D? Second term minus 4 first term, that is 4. What is your last term? 248. Question is how many multiples? Means n you have to find out. So what's the formula for n? A plus n minus 1 into D. Just fill the values here. 248 is equals to 12 plus n minus 1 into 4. Shift 12 to this side. हाँ जी, plus 12 changes into minus 12 is equals to n minus 1 into 4. 236. This 4 goes in dividation. Yes, 4 5s are 20, 4 9s are 36. So what is your n? Minus 1 shift to this side. So your n is 59 plus 1, that means 60. How many multiples of 4? If anybody asks how many multiples of 4 between 10 and 250, so your answer is 60 multiples. Getting my point? I hope it's very easy, clear to you. So now next question. Question is Ramkali saved ₹5 in the first week of a year. That means your A is 5. And then increase her weekly salary saving ₹1.75. हर हफ्ते कितना बढ़ता जा रहा है? ₹1.75. You can put rupees also. So D is ₹1.75. In the nth week, her weekly saving becomes ₹20.75. मीन्स लास्ट में जाके उसके पास 20.75 रुपीज़ इकट्ठे हो गए. फाइंड एन मीन्स कितने वीक में हुए उसके पास कलेक्शन. एंड यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट व्हाट्स द फॉर्मूला फॉर एन. ए प्लस एन माइनस 1 इंटू डी. 20.75 इज इक्वल्स टू 5 इंटू 1.75. yes, 20.75 minus 5 is equals to n minus 1 into 1.75. What it becomes? Just solve the calculations here. What it becomes? 15.75. And this 1.75 goes in division. Point sign with point. Why? Because 100 इसका डिनोमिनेटर में आ जाएगा, इसका 100 न्यूमिनेटर में. 100 से 100 cancel. So remove this decimal point. Now cut this 1575 विद 175, इसको इससे डिवाइड करो, क्या है 9, 9 + 1 10, सो एन इज 10 वीक्स, कि कितने वीक्स के बाद उसकी इतनी सैलरी हुई, 10 वीक्स के बाद, ओके या इतनी उसके पास कलेक्शन हो चुकी है. थैंक यू, आई होप इट्स क्लियर टू यू, वेरी इजी एक्सरसाइज, ओके. सो